In this lecture, we will be covering how to navigate from one page to another page and from one section to another section. This whole is the home section. But for example, if I'm clicking on about, then I will be navigated to this section. This is the about section. If I'm clicking on the contact section, then I will be navigated to this contact directly. There isn't any need of scrolling down towards this contact section. You will be directly navigated towards this. So let's do it. First of all, we have to give IDs to the section. Basically, ID is the unique key for the section for the understanding. First of all, we have to give ID to every section from first of all we have to give ID to the sections for the navigation or for identifying them. For example, I am giving this whole body. Whole body means this whole website content. This one, this whole from top to bottom is under this body, and I am giving this ID as home. So whenever we are clicking on this home tab, it will navigate to the current website page. You can see the reference here. The reference are always given with hash and then the name of the ID. Reference for the same page are always given with hash and then the name of the ID. For example, I want to navigate within this whole page. I have to use hash and then the ID name. So you see here, I'm saving it. So let's see another example. We haven't created shop section right now. We will be creating later on. But if we are talking about this about section, we have this hash key then about. So if we are giving this div ID about, this is the same ID about which we are giving here. Let's see it's navigating or not. If I'm refreshing this and I'm clicking on about, then it will navigate me to this section, the about section of the same page. Still we are on a same page. We have to do the same thing in team section. We have to give this ID as a team. I'm saving it. Same goes for ID, contact. So I have given their references here in the team section. If I'm clicking on the team, I have to navigate to the team but within the same page or within the same website's page. If I'm removing hash from here, it wouldn't navigate me to the team section. So it's mandatory to add hash and then the ID name here. If I'm clicking on the contact, it will navigate me to the contact. Let's see, I'm saving here and refreshing my page. So if I'm clicking on home, you see here it's still on the same page because this whole is a home page. If I'm clicking on about, it's navigating me towards the about section. If I'm clicking on a team, it's navigating me towards the team section. If I'm clicking on a contact, it's navigating me to the contact section here. So you see how we can move within the same page through ID and the references. We can add references on this text to the top. So I'm going to the footer. I'm going to footer. Inside this I will be adding hash for navigating. Let's see the changes here. If I'm saving here, I'm refreshing it. And going to this. If I'm clicking on this to the top, it will navigate me to the home section, to the main site, to the top of the website. In the upcoming lecture, I will teach you how to navigate from one page to another page.